All right, y'all. My camera just did something weird I ain't never seen it do before, but we're gonna get this oil change. Let's go ahead and get that done. Pull the truck up on here. I'm in a different spot than I usually be, but it is what it is. My brother parked in the spot where I usually park, but we can get it done from right here too. Let's see if I can do this without nicking the what you calls up. See if I can drive straight on there. Let me bag back a little bit. If I can. Okay, look. Ready to go, man. Should be good. See what we got. Yep, that should work. We're gonna end up needing a new ramp here in a minute. He's about done had it. Let's get this oil change real quick. I had these ramps for a long time. I can't remember when I brought these. It's been a long time though. Let's see. Got me a pair of dedicated gloves that I'm gonna use to change oil with. A pair of thicker reusable gloves, so we're gonna be using these. Truck should be a little warm up under there because I just drove home from work, but it probably been sitting close to almost 45 minutes, somewhere around there, 35, 40 minutes. Let's see. Get all my tools together. Get my oil and stuff out. Warm day today, 79 degrees. I was gonna go to the park and walk, but I'm gonna run out of time. I'm gonna ride my motorcycle and go get the drain pan. If I can find it. Yeah, here you go. Got a little bit of oil in it right now, so hopefully it won't overflow on us. Like this the same oil from when I changed it last time. Hope it don't overflow on us. It shouldn't overflow. Though it's getting kind of heavy. All right. Let me get the oil out of stuff. I don't know if this gonna make it, y'all. It's gonna be close. We'll have to see how much it's gonna let us put in there. Get some paper towels too. All right. Get under here and get this oil changed. Uh-oh. I didn't get my oil. Let me get my oil. Like I said, I don't know how much oil this thing is gonna be able to take. It says 16 quarts. So it should be able to take some more. My truck only takes 6 quarts, so it should be able to take a little bit more. We sure gonna find out how much it can take. All right, get up under here. Flip my screen around. Flip around for me. All right. Yeah, I can see what I got going on there. All right. Tripping. Let me pop my hood and open my plugs and stuff. Tripping. It's still pretty warm under here, so good thing these gloves I got are kind of long. Hopefully I don't get no oil on me if I can get this lid off. That thing said it can hold 16 quarts. It better not overflow on me. It said it can hold 16 quarts. So it better be able to hold 12. So like I said, I'm pretty sure this is the oil from the last time when I changed my oil. We should be able to do this quick. I got all the right tools, so hopefully it don't take forever. And that I got all the right tools. Now, if this thing overflow on me, y'all, I know something. It said it can hold 16 quarts. Let's see how long we've been running. Say 8 minutes. Let that drain. I definitely got a slow oil leak under here. I don't know if it's coming from my drain plug or what. It's definitely got a leak under here. Definitely got a leak under here, y'all. Let's see. It's leaking from up top somewhere, y'all. I'll deal with it when it comes time to it, because I'm not losing much oil between me changing the oil every 4,000 miles. I'm not losing much oil. We're gonna let that drip a little longer, and then we're gonna plug that back up so we can get to the oil filter up here. It's crazy, every time I do this, y'all, I gotta look and see which oil filter I need. Gotta see if I need the 5W30 oil. And I do it so often, it seems like I have it memorized, but I don't memorize it, y'all. That's why I write it down in my notes and stuff, and I come back to it. I can just slow down leaking. I might need to pull the truck down here more often to change the oil. Hopefully it'll start just drip, drip, drip. It's on a little bit of an incline because our road is a dead end and I'm off the curb at a dead end, and then it's up on the ramp. So the back of the truck is leaned back just a little bit. And slow down, y'all. I'm gonna have to dispose of this oil. Looks like a drip forever, y'all. I'm gonna plug him up and then we're gonna go to this oil filter. Looks like a drip forever. Get some more oil up out of the front up here. All right, get this oil filter off. Still pretty warm. I don't want to drip oil everywhere. I still got quite a bit of oil in there. I'm gonna get it where I can hand loosen it and get out the way. Oh. Try not to get oil everywhere. Still quite a bit in there. Let's see. Good thing I got these long gloves now. Hold on, I'm tightening it. I'm tripping. I'm supposed to be loosening it. I'm tightening it. These long gloves came in handy, y'all. I don't got oil all down my arm. Definitely still warm. I'm glad I got these long gloves on. Let's see, I got another paper towel. Oh, we'll use these. All right, let's get the new oil filter in. Put some oil around it. It held all the oil. Didn't overflow on us. All right. Look all this oil off my glove. I'm gonna be reusing these. However long they'll last, I'm gonna be using them. All right. My oil filter. I had to get 2 different Pennzoils, but it'll be all right. They both full synthetic. Let's see what's the difference. Full synthetic platinum. Look like the same thing. It's just one Dex OS1. It should be all right though. All right. Put some little bit of oil in our oil filter and a little bit of oil around the ring. Be dark here in a minute, y'all. I'm gonna put much in there. Just a little bit, because I end up wasting it all out. I end up wasting it all. All right. Let's put this oil filter back on here. Give y'all some type of view so y'all can see what I'm doing. Let's see, we're running on 19 minutes. Let me flip the screen. back on. Try not to waste it out. I didn't put much in there, so it's still trying to waste it out. Wipe my gloves off. Oh, I managed to get oil on me, y'all. I thought I was gonna manage to go without getting oil all over me. Still got some oil on me. All right. Wipe this oil filter down a little bit. I'm gonna give it a little snug tightening with the pliers. Still running out. Should be good, y'all. I'm gonna wipe it down one more again. Make sure it's not leaking. Alrighty. Let's go up top. Pour our oil in. I got everything wiped off. All right, let's go up top. All right. Dang, I thought I was gonna get away without getting oil on myself today. Yeah, a little bit. All right. Get our funnel. Wipe this funnel off before I stick it in there. Probably be the fastest oil change I did in a while. You're gonna get it under 30 minutes. 22. Look like we are, y'all. Nice, good new oil. We're gonna go over there and check it one more again, make sure ain't nothing slowly leaking. Or make sure nothing ain't leaking fast, because I know I got slow leak somewhere. All right. Go look under here one more again. Make sure ain't nothing leaking. Get my paper towels. Oh shoot, I have to dip my hair in the oil. Alright, oil filter look good. Drain plug look good. Alright, let's take her off the ramps. I got all my tools out from under here. Rounding up my trash, y'all. Alright. Get the gloves on. We're running like 26 minutes. That plug gets this. Plug him up. Alright. Take her off the ramp. And check my oil. I have to pull it up farther than this so it'll be even. Alright. Try not to run the camera over. It wouldn't be good. All right, let's see what we got. "28 minutes. Oh, broke my head. Bumped it again. All right, y'all, everything look good. Make sure the truck ain't leaning back none. It should be even right here. All right, y'all. We're gonna call it a video. All right, y'all. Catch y'all later. Y'all be good.